Hi everyone. Let's take a look at the following example. A function f of x is transformed to negative 2 times f, open bracket, negative 2x minus 22 close bracket, plus 12. Let 2, 9 be a point on the transformed graph. What is the original point xy? Step 1. If you think about negative 2 times f, open bracket, negative 2x minus 22 close bracket plus 12. Step 1 is to write this in factor form. So open a square bracket, factor negative 2 to the front. Copy everything else. When you factor negative 2 to the front in the round brackets, it's going to be x plus 11. Step 2, write down the mapping rule. xy is the original point. This is map to. Again, let's look at this one at a time. I'm going to grab different colors so you can see exactly what I'm doing. That negative at the front means reflected with respect to the x-axis, so it's going to be negative y. This next part, 2, means it's a vertical stretch by a factor of 2, so there's a 2 right there, times y, which I'm going to write down in blue. If you look at the negative sign inside the square bracket, that means reflected with respect to the y-axis. So negative goes at the front. If you look at the 2, let's use a different color actually. 2. Now there are only so many colors I can choose. Let's try this one. So this 2 means horizontally compressed by a factor of half. So it's going to be x divided by 2. Again, let me just write x in the original color. Then the rest of this, I'm just going to write in one color. This is the simpler part, so to speak. X plus 11 means left by 11, or horizontal translation, 11 units to the left. So you're going to subtract 11. The plus 12 at the end means up by 12, or vertical translation, 12 units up. So you're going to add 12. So now you look at the transformed point, which is basically 2, 9, and you make them equal. So we're saying that this equals to 2, 9. They're equal. Now, what does that really mean? You can divide this into two different columns. In the first column, you can equate 2 to negative x divided by 2 minus 11. In the second column, you can write 9 equal to negative 2y plus 12. And now, the difficult part, it's over. You solve for x. The opposite of subtracting 11 is to add 11. 2 plus 11 is going to be 13. The opposite of dividing by 2 is to multiply by 2. Let's erase this to give you more space. So 13 times 2 is going to be 26. And of course, the opposite of dividing by negative 1 is to multiply by negative 1. X equals to 26. Now, likewise, to find y, the opposite of adding 12 is to subtract 12. So 9 minus 12 is going to be negative 3. The opposite of multiplying by negative 2 is divide by negative 2. And of course, y equals to 3 over 2. So this means the original point, xy, so therefore, the original point, xy, equals to negative 26 and 1.5, or 3 over 2. If you find this video meaningful, it's adding value to your math life, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. I hope this makes sense.